What if I told you that you could quit your 9-to-5 job in just 7 months, without winning the lottery, without getting lucky, and without risking everything? In this video, I'll reveal a step-by-step roadmap to achieve financial freedom faster than you ever imagined. Your 9-to-5 wasn't built to make you rich, it was built to make you comfortable. And comfort is the biggest trap that keeps millions stuck in the rat race. Financial freedom begins when you stop trading your time for money and start building systems that make money for you. Before you quit your job, secure your foundation. Build a 6-month survival fund to cover rent, bills, food, and emergencies. This isn't just financial advice, this is your freedom insurance. Without this, you'll make desperate choices and lose focus on your financial freedom goal. To quit your 9-to-5 in 7 months, you must create income streams that don't depend on your physical presence. Here are 3 options. Freelancing plus upskilling. Learn high-demand skills like video editing, copywriting, or coding. Digital products. Create ebooks, templates, or courses that sell 24/7. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products you trust. If you want to escape your job fast, you need a high-income skill that commands premium rates. Skills like paid advertising and social media marketing, UI/UX design and software development, business consulting and automation strategies. These skills can get you clients willing to pay $2,000 to $10,000 per project, accelerating your journey to financial freedom. Saving alone won't make you free. You must invest smartly to build wealth fast. Focus on assets that grow your money instead of letting it sit in the bank losing value. Top options: index funds and ETFs, steady long-term growth. Dividend stocks, build passive cash flow. REITs, real estate income without buying property. Crypto, selectively high risk, high reward, allocate wisely. Before I reveal the fastest path to quitting your 9-to-5, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future money-making strategies. Relying on one paycheck is risky. To quit your job in 7 months, you need at least 3 income streams. Combine active income, semi-passive income, and fully passive income. Active freelance/consulting. Semi-passive digital products and affiliates. Passive dividends, rentals, royalties. Multiple streams protect you from layoffs, market crashes, and inflation. Financial freedom isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Once you've built systems that generate income, automate them. Use scheduling tools for content. Outsource repetitive tasks. Leverage AI for marketing and client acquisition. Automation gives you back your time, letting you focus on scaling and enjoying life. Quitting your 9-to-5 in 7 months isn't just about money, it's about a mindset shift. You must believe you're not paid for your time, you're paid for your value. Jobs are temporary, wealth is built outside your paycheck. Money buys freedom, not things. Start today. Build your plan. Take action. Because the life you dream of is on the other side of fear.